ناظرین اس وقت میں یہاں پر سالٹ لیک سٹی کے یہ بالکل سمجھ لیجیے کہ ایک پہاڑی سلسلہ اس کے درمیان میں دامن میں موجود ہوں اور ہمارے پاس یہاں پر ایک صاحب موجود ہیں جو کہ مورمن ریلیجن سے تعلق رکھتے ہیں. ان کا نام ٹائسن ہے اور ٹائسن سے بات کرتے ہیں کہ بیسیکلی یہ مسلمانوں کے بارے میں کیا سوچتے ہیں, دین اسلام کے بارے میں کیا سوچتے ہیں. Hello, how are you, Mr. Tyson?
I'm Tyson.
Yeah.
Ibn Richard Entz, Ibn Richard Curtis, Ibn Richard Dwayne.
Okay.
Ibn So.
You are from a Mormon religion?
From a Latter-day Saint religion.
Okay.
We believe that the restoration came via revelation from God the Father and the Son, Jesus Christ, being individual personages and a Holy Spirit.
Okay.
A confirmer of all truth.
Okay. So, could you tell me about what do you think, what is Islam, what do you think about Muslims, about extremism, about radicalism? That world says that Muslims are terrorists, Muslims are extremists.
I have a big problem with this because I don't believe you're extremists. You both welcomed me. Everyone came up, kind hands, and said, "Hi, I'm from Pakistan."
Yeah.
Hello, I am from Afghanistan. And they wear their pins on their lapels, and there's no terrorism here. We're just trying to understand one faith, one world religion, and why Muhammad was a prophet, and why he taught that God is our Father, and we are literally His children in the flesh.
So, do you know about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
I don't. I know about the Dome of the Rock. I know why you worship the meteor that you frame, and I understand that you pray into Palestine and away from the dome in Jerusalem.
Okay.
Okay, and that there's two conflicting points of view or points of interest, one being Jews and Judaism, and the house which Judah and the tribes of Israel built, and then the Dome of the Rock in which the followers of Muhammad, the prophet, go for pilgrimage.
Yeah.
And I understand you fast for an entire month and that you don't take in or ingest anything from sunrise to sundown.
So you believe that Muslims are peace-loving people and they are not terrorists, they are not ridiculous?
I think that the United States government is producing, I believe that our government is producing terrorists.
Okay, finally, what is your message to the Muslims of the world being a Mormon?
Pray for peace, pray for serenity, pray for the hue of humanity to worship Allah, God, or the Great Spirit, as the Native Americans would say. We are all under the great sun and the great moon and the goddess, the sky. We're thankful for religion. We're thankful for friendship.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you for hearing us.
Thank you. Okay.
God bless.
Thank you.